Yo, Morton, check out this thing I have. It's a paper airplane.
Martin thinks that's cool. Martin wants to know what you want to do with it.
Oh, what I can do with it? I can do this.
Wow, Morton saw it fly high. You should do that again.
Oh, I will. Maybe you could do that the hallway. Okay, now I want to throw the airplane on your head this time.
I don't know why I'm just sitting there. I just want to do something. Oh my gosh, Legg's hurt. I need to call the ambulance. 911, what's your emergency? Yes, this is Wendy O. Koopa. One of my brothers is being hurt right now. Alright, we will come for the rescue. What did you two do?
Oh, it's a long story.